is a fascinating journey that students can explore and learn about. It begins with a tiny egg, often laid on a leaf by a female butterfly. These eggs are hard to spot because they are usually the size of a pinhead. After a few days, the egg hatches into a caterpillar, also known as a larva. The larva's sole purpose is to eat and grow. It spends most of its time munching on leaves and getting bigger and bigger. As it grows, it sheds its skin and replaces it with a new, larger one. Once the caterpillar reaches a certain size, it enters the next stage called the pupa or chrysalis. Inside this protective casing, remarkable changes are taking place. The caterpillar's body transforms into a beautiful butterfly. This process is called metamorphosis. After about 2 weeks, the chrysalis splits open, revealing the adult butterfly. At first, its wings are soft and crumpled, but within a few hours, they expand and harden. The new butterfly then waits for its wings to dry and gain strength before taking its first flight. Now an adult, the butterfly's main goal is to find a mate and reproduce. It will search for flowers to feed on nectar, and in doing so, it helps pollinate plants. This helps spread pollen, allowing new plants to grow. The life cycle then repeats itself as the female butterfly lays eggs to start the process all over again. Studying the butterfly life cycle is not only educational but also an exciting experience for students. Through observation and hands-on activities, they can witness the transformation from a tiny egg to a magnificent butterfly. Learning about the life cycle of butterflies helps students understand the beauty and complexity of nature and how every living creature has a unique role to play in the ecosystem.